What's up guys, today's video is on the best TIG welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Everlast Power TIG 210X TIG Welder. Branded medium-range TIG welder for beginners, hobbyists, small and medium fabricators, and professionals. Dual voltage 110 volts 220 volts. Dual process AC/DC TIG and stick. Heavy-duty high-frequency arc start. This has a digital microprocessor control that helps precise management of welding. This welder features 3 AC waveforms: advanced square wave, soft square wave, and triangular wave for extra control during welding of aluminum. With the activation of AC advanced pulse, the unit may be capable of welding more than 12 degrees of aluminum. The welder comes with 5-year limited warranty. Number 2. PRIMEWELD TIG 225X Best TIG Welder under United States $1,000 for beginners, hobbyists, and small fabricators. Comes with CK Worldwide 17 Series Superflex TIG torch with flex head and accessories. Selector switch for TIG stick and AC/DC. Dual power 110V 220 volts HF, high frequency, start for TIG. 2T4T modes. Dual process AC/DC TIG and DC stick. Foot pedal amperage control. DC TIG provides low temperature control to help you weld sheet metal and car bodies. Portable, 40.7 pounds. The welder comes with 3 years warranty. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Square Wave TIG Welder. Moderately high-end branded and reliable TIG welder, made in the USA. Suitable for beginners, hobbyists, small and medium fabricators, and professionals. A great TIG machine for aluminum. Dual voltage 120 volts 230 volts. Dual welder AC/DC TIG and stick. LED display. High frequency start for aluminum welding. This welder provides smooth and stable AC TIG welding on aluminum and DC TIG welding on mild steel, stainless steel, and other metals. Moderate weight, 46 pounds, portable welder. The welder comes with 3 years limited warranty. Number 4. AHP Alpha TIG Welder. Medium budget welder for beginner welders, hobbyists, and small-time fabricators. You will get the upgraded model Alpha 2021 203Xi with a fully controlled LCD screen. Dual voltage 110 volts 220 volts. Dual process AC/DC TIG welder and stick welder. HF, high frequency, TIG start. Can weld 14 degrees aluminum and 38 degrees mild steel, stainless steel. Fully adjustable AC frequency and AC balance settings. The welder comes with 3 years limited warranty. Number 5. Weld Pro Digital TIG Welding. Medium budget TIG welder for beginners, hobbyists, and small fabricators. Dual voltage 110 volts 220 volts HF, high frequency, start for TIG. 2T4T mode. Dual welder AC/DC TIG and stick. Selector for TIG stick and AC/DC. Rocker style foot pedal for amperage control. You can weld aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, etc. The welder comes with 3 years limited warranty. THE TIG 200 AC/DC welder is an inverter-based TIG welder, and this utilizes advanced inverter technology, IGBT circuits, and PWM technology. HF, high frequency, TIG start. Dual voltage 110 volts 220 volts. This welder is capable of TIG welding AC or DC current. The user can use DC current for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, and other metals, and AC current for welding aluminum and aluminum alloys. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.